Hi everyone, it's Bob. I saw there was no YouTube video for a Dolphin S200 impeller cleaning. If you have this type of a pool vacuum right here and it's not continuously running, if it's starting and if it's stopping, or if it's just not running at all, then you probably have a clogged impeller. So this is a really simple 6-screw process. All you need is a screwdriver. I just have 2 here because they have different sizes and there's 2 different threads and I like to use that. But if you look at the pool, it's not so dirty anymore. The pool vacuum has run quite a few times, and all we're going to do here is open this up, clean out the debris that has obviously gotten caught in this impeller, and doing this yourself at home saves about $125 or so service call depending on the area that you live in. So again, Dolphin S200, and this is a simple repair for the impeller that's clogged. So first step is we are just going to open up the Dolphin, and as you can see, there's a ton of debris in the filter basket. In this video, we're not going to spend the time washing this out. All you're going to do is you're going to remove the basket. We'll clean that later, okay? And if you look here on the body of the S200, you'll notice there's 2 screws, one on either side of this housing, right? When I go through it, I'm just going to remove these 2 screws. So that's the first step. One. Okay. Make sure you don't put your screws too close to the pool if you're doing this by the pool like me. You don't want those to roll in. So I'm just putting them on the chair here beside me. Now this housing can then pop right off. So I like to grab it, by the plastic, just kind of wiggle it. And notice this comes to the side. So this is just for the electrical stopper. Move the whole assembly to the side. This black cover pops right off, and this device right here is the impeller. Now, if we can look inside here, for the S200, this just rotates left and to the right, and you can see this white arm moving to the left and the right with it, right? If you look inside the impeller, there's quite a bit of debris clogging it up, but we'll get a much better view of that after we take this off. So again, we start by moving this to one side, and we've just got 2 screws here. I'm going to undo these 2 screws. This carpenter bee wants to sting me. Alright, and we're going to finish taking this off. Almost here. It's a little bit wet, a little moist, so tricky to... That's 1. Here's 2. Then again, this arm just rotates over to the other side, so I just push it with my hands, and that gives me access to the last 2 screws. And again, guys, after this, you're just going to hose these parts off, clean out the debris, put the screws back together, and you've fixed your pool vacuum. So 6 screws, and it all fits back together really easily, just the same way I took it apart, okay? But you put all that back together. There's one thing that I didn't mention at the start of this video that is important. Before you start any of this work, make sure that your power is disconnected. You have your tools, right, and you're working in a safe location. So anyway, thanks very much. Hope this video helps somebody out. I didn't find a video specific to the S200 here on YouTube. Now that I've popped this off, you can clean out any of the debris. For me, it was a stick. This isn't nearly as dirty as it was when I started this process of cleaning the pool. I've done this now 3 times, which is the first year that I've ever had to do this at all, but it was just an especially leafy and dirty year because the guys who closed it didn't actually get some of that debris off before that happened. So thanks YouTube, stay safe, see you next time.